Then there's Mumbai Angels, Rajasthan Angel Networks, and a couple of more. So that's about it. So thank you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Over to you, Saurabh.
Yeah. Uh, Basic. I've got a basic question. I'm still
Yeah.
confused about the accelerators and the other one. Which one is
And the
that?
incubator, is it?
Incubators and what are the basic roles? How incubators are different from accelerators?
Okay, so incubators basically, if you see the amount of work, it's similar what these two things do. But what the main difference is, incubators usually incubate the companies who are having an innovative business model, and accelerators are the ones who basically, as the name suggests, they have an established model and they just need an acceleration. So that is one of the thing. But eventually, it's a thin line, and both the vehicles do all kind of work. But that is the main difference here.
Right. And any chemical engineering specific VC fund which would be willing to, I mean,
So yeah, there are some. If you see in this, there are see these. Just a sec. So these there are some companies which are sector agnostic. So they don't care about the sectors. You need. I basically I'm not from chemical background, so I don't know. I have not done the research that way. But if you want to do it, you can just find out eventually which are the companies who invest in it. But there are some few companies who are sector agnostic and they basically go what your business plan is and the
yeah,
entire thing which I told earlier. So
yeah.
you there are few people who can invest in chemical side as well.
Yeah. There is a very prominent thing that surrounds VC funding or angel investment is that you should have a very unique idea. Do these funds actually fund the traditional business, or for traditional business it is always going to be taking debt from the banks and then returning them off?
No, so as I told you, these people will make money once the company grows. So, frankly speaking, they look at the growth prospect initially, which usually internet companies and other companies which are not traditional, they have a edge there instead of a traditional company. But if you have a great vision of how you want to take the company ahead, then I'm pretty sure then you need to convince these people that I have enough what it takes, though it's a capital intensive business. But my vision is clear that eventually, if you see the Reliance big every big capital intensive player, they always started small. So you will get the money. That's not an issue, but you need to have a clear vision what exactly you need to do.
Right. I have got a news about there is a thing called as Nagpur Angels as well. Do you have any idea about it?
Yeah, I think Mr. Shashi Chaudhary
Yeah.
is one of the key members there. So yeah, so he is luckily my father's friend. So I have interacted with him a couple of times. He's a great guy to be in. So he I think he sold his company for a great amount of value, and he
Right.
is basically helping the new entrepreneurs. So you can
Right.
just get in touch with him as well. So there are a lot of people. If eventually you are convinced that you need to have an external funding, you will find out a way.
Right. Right. To all the attendees, if anyone of you have got any specific questions, you can raise your hand. I'll unmute you, maybe, or you can write in the chat box. Well, maybe once they start thinking in this direction, because chemical engineering per se, I mean, most of the students that are or the attendees that are here are some or what related to chemical industry, right? And this
Yeah.
particular area of VC funding and investments for a new startup in chemical industry per se, this
Mhm.
thing is still in its nascency, right? It is still in nascent stage, so a long way to go. Once some of them are brave enough to start exploring this particular area, maybe we'll have more and more questions pouring in. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for sharing your
No
experience. I
problem.
hope your experience actually motivate some of the students and the attendees, and we, who knows, we may get a unicorn from LIT as well.
Yeah, of course. All the
I
best
would
for everything.
request our HOD, Dr. Bharat Bhanose sir, to say a few words before we close.
Uh, uh, Good afternoon. So this is quite a nice lecture on angel investment and VC funding for early entrepreneurs. So under IIC, Institute Innovation Council, so we are planning such lectures for students to, I think, to understand such things that is related to, we can say, innovation, incubation, and then activities.
Yeah.
So for this purpose, I think this is very important, how to get the funding and all these things. So mainly our students from third year and final year, they are attending here, useful for these particular students. Thank you, Gaurav Tatwadi, for
Thank you,
this
sir.
nice lecture. And this is quite elaborative one, and definitely our students will get something from this, and they can, it will be useful for their maybe
Thank you,
maybe
sir.
during startup activity, and whenever they are starting future, so that will be useful there. So thank
Yeah,
you.
thank
Over
you.
to Saurav again.
Yeah. Uh, just to have a follow-up activity on this, Gaurav, we would like to invite you to our campus once we have got full-fledged sessions in place. I would like you to interact with our students more on a physical level so that they are able to get more. And also, I urge you to make a more chemical engineering specific, because you
Sure,
will be the
sure.
right person to actually go deep into what would be required in getting the students what actually they want. And I mean, at the end of the day, it is just about giving the right push to the right student so that he can get the desired results. Thank you
Makes
so much
sense.
on behalf of
Thank you.
National
Thank
Institute
you,
of
sir.
Technology. Gaurav, I thank
Thank you,
you for
everyone.
accepting our invitation, and hope for future more sessions like this on based out of your experience. Thank you so much.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.